If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Katapult, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Katapult account. Look for any messages requesting additional information or documents needed for verification. Step 2. Submit required documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete any identity verification steps. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional personal information to confirm your identity. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your status remains verification pending after submitting documents, reach out to Katapult's customer support. Provide them with your account details and ask for assistance in expediting the verification process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, be patient while Katapult processes your verification. You should receive an email confirmation once your status is updated. By following these steps, you can resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.